Next, chapter. Chapter does not have anything, no? That's why it's showing anchor. Now HTML mode. I'm copying from here to end. Why? Because total remaining is the our chapter. So copy, paste. So I now need this file. So Control X 1, and it has some character entities. Now we will replace with we will search in regular expression. So if you want to search character entities, use Control S, Control T means 1 minute. Control S means I, search means incremental search. Whenever I am using Control T, it will showing RE, regular expression search. Ampersand means it contains one ampersand. After that, it contains any A to Z character. So A to Z, A B C D to X Y Z. It contains any character from A to Z after ampersand. So I am pressing enter. It is showing ampersand QUOT. Before that, it has one space now, means it is opening quote. With I am selecting with space. Press Alt R space QUOT. That's why. In with first I am giving space. After that, I am giving that entity name. 201C is the that name. Okay. Enter. After that, I am giving space. It will go to next search, comma, right. So I am using shift 1 for replace all. Shift 1, that T is there. After that, next is there. No? Otherwise, you can search from regular question. Control S, Control T. No need to again type the ampersand A to Z. Just use up arrow. It will show the regex ampersand A to Z. Using enter, enter. It will come here. I am selecting after space means it is the closing quote. Alt R, enter. Sorry. Alt R, enter, delete. Ampersand hash X201D is for closing. After that, it has one space. Enter, comma. It is replacing correct. That's why I'm using shift 1. It has replaced 28 means remaining 2 is there. We have to find it out. So Control S, Control T. No need to use up arrow also. You can use Control S for recently used search. Okay. Means Control S, Control T, Control S. Enter. This is before. This means it should be closing quote. Control S, Control T, Control S for next search. It is also same. Closed hash X 201 D for next search. Control S, Control T, Control S. Enter. So it's showing not found. Means it does not have any character entities. Okay, I'm going back. Going top of the file. Now I am coding chapter. Okay, now I am coding chapter. So this is chapter title. Now. Space class equal to chap title, and 1 is chapter number. Na? That's why I am using it in separate paragraph. 1 paragraph class equal to chap num means chapter number, and it has one break after gr growth. I am giving break, and it is the page number 3. That's why I am giving a space id equal to page underscore 3. So every time I am typing this thing now, it has taken so much time for every page. That's why I am using one macro. Macro is the most useful thing in Epsilon. If you want to create a macro, follow my steps. First one is use keys for Control X, Shift 9. 9 means above the O character. Okay, not from the numerical character. So it is showing remembering. So it is remembering our keys. Now whatever we are typing now, it will remember. Okay. Sorry, I'm closing this. I'm again typing. Suppose I want to give the page number 3. First I have given 3 and I am selecting it from left to right or left to right, right to left, anything. Now I am starting macro. Control X, Shift 9. Okay, it is remembering. I am no need to use mouse. Okay, you have to use keyboard only for macros. Control W for cut, less than a space id equal to single quote PAGE underscore paste the page number means Control Y double quotes self close save Control X, yes, save. So close the macro, that is enough. Control X, Shift 0 for closing macro. 0 means up above the O, above the P character. Okay, so now I am deleting this. I am typing page number 3 and selecting it. Now I have to use that macro. So press Control F4 for recently recorded macro. Control F4. Okay. Now it is showing it was typed for that. For us, it is typing that entire text for us. Okay. Suppose this is 158, this page number. Just select it. Press Control F4. Okay. Otherwise, select the page number. Use command also. Alt text LAST space. It will show last keyboard macro. Yes, last keyboard macro. What I have recorded in the previous, that is the last keyboard macro. No? You have to use that. You can use command also like that. Okay. Page saved. Next, George Winkler is other space class equal to other. So CHAP other, chap other, and it is in bold italic. Okay. Next, actually, introduction is not in bold. That's why I'm removing. Place class equal to section 1. Why? Because section 1 is in the center. It is the different. Remaining all are indents. No? That's why I'm replacing para to p class equal to most of the paragraphs are indent. That's why I'm replacing it. Like shift 1 means it will replace all. Otherwise, I'm cancelling replacing. If you want to use the macro for given classes also, you can use like this also. Press Ctrl X Shift 9. It is remembering. So search paragraph. I have searched. So I am using left key. It is coming under the paragraph tag. I am giving space. I am typing class equal to double quotes INDENT indent close. I am saving it and I am closing the macro. Ctrl X Shift 0. So by mid it is the indent. Okay, this one is also indent, means we have to use the same macro. So Control F4. Next, the issue in all what, these three paragraphs also same indent, means the issue in all what, these three also indents. No, that's why I'm using Control F4, Control F4, Control F4. Like that we can use. Suppose now if we want to use this page number macro, it will not work. Why? Because our last keyboard macro is now p class is equal to indent. Okay, and it does not contain 1 minute. First I am seeing that it has any bold text. Yes, this one only, but we can use that section. So remaining no bold na, that's why I'm removing all the bold. Alter, enter, delete, enter, shift 1, 60 bolds are gone. I'm replacing bold closings also, enter, delete, enter, shift 1, 60. So bolds are gone. This is footnotes now. Footnote means it has single digit number 1. So in above, some paragraph must be have the that footnote number like this. Means for this sentence, otherwise for this word, the meaning of that word or meaning of that particular sentence is this one. Okay. Now I'm leaving like that. I'm cut it. I'm going to end of the document. I'm pasting here. Save. I'm going back. Exploding single word and it is page number 4. So here page space id equal to page underscore 4 self close. And Epsilon have one more feature that is called saving buffers. Now I am selecting this. I want to use multiple times this key now. That's why I am selecting this using Control X. After that, press only single X. It will ask save region in scratch buffer. You can use A to Z or 0 to 9. So means that selected text will in one key, will save in one key. Okay, that is present. Now I am selecting 1. So okay, suppose I am deleting this. Now I want that code to retrieve. So for retrieving, Control X, Y, it is asking restore from scratch. Means before that it is asking saving scratch buffer. Now it is asking restore. I have saved that particular text in 1. I am using 1. It is retrieved. I can store A to Z means 26 character, 0 to 9 means 10. So total 36 selected words I can store in Epsilon. Okay, this is more useful thing. Now I am merging, exploiting. I am coming front by pressing Alt left arrow. Okay, next note objection. I am using macro for giving classes. However, when these two also indents. However, when it has superscript 2 means footnote 2. From here onwards, I am cut and paste end of the document. Actually, it is 1. That's why I'm doing like this. Going back. Yeah, table. This is 4 means next one is page number 5. So page number 5 now. So Control X, Y, 1. I am retrieving the text and renaming it. For storing buffer, you can use Control X, X and give the key for save region in scratch. For retrieving, I am cancelling it. For retrieving, Control X, single Y, you can use the key for retrieving. Okay. table 2, this is table title, so space class equal to tab title, otherwise you can use table title also. This is also table title, but table subtitle. Okay, now here onwards table start. I am giving one ID for this. Tab2 means it is table 2, class equal to table. Okay, and it has paragraphs in separate ways. Actually, from here to here single row, here to here single row. Yeah, it has 3 columns like that. Means I have to remove the enter before the paragraph of after TD. I am copying it by selecting from here to here, copy, replacing alt R. I am pasting it, means TD. This one is, this symbol is for enter. Okay, in epsilon, enter, pasting. I am removing the enter, enter, shift 1, right. Now I am removing, this is also alt R, control Y, enter, control Y, deleting, enter, shift. Now it is showing properly. Okay, it has GNP. Actually it one is, this one is GNP, industrial production. Remaining all are correct. We will style the this thing later. Actually there is no italic in table. This table has footnote in the bottom in different paragraphs. Now I am giving different paragraphs. This one is full stop. Okay, right. So these 3 are table paragraphs. Footnotes, no, that's why class equal to TB footnote. Same class, only it has one space. Next, bean is after this, and suppose space class equal to no indent. Next, remaining all are indents. I am using macro. Last means page number 6. Control X Y 1. I am retrieving, and I have given page number. I have merged the paragraphs. Next, same macro. This is 2, section 2. Space class equal to section 2. Remove 1, 2, 3. These 3 paragraphs are like that. Page number 7 here. Control X Y 1 7. Space class equal to same section 2. Okay. Remaining 2 indents. After that, same section 2, copy, paste, same, import may improve single paragraph and page number 8. So control X Y 1 8. Their given insertion. Their given insertion. These three also indent 3 times. Overcome. This is section 1. So class equal to section 1. Why? Because it is in center and in small caps. I am giving one enter here. Actually from here to here it is uppercase word and it has small. I am copying the small. I am going back here. Actually this one is total uppercase. Alt X uppercase. This bad as Alt X. You can use up arrow for recent used comments. From here to here, Alt X up arrow, enter. Actually this one is single sentence. Right. So capital, closing, here opening, here closing, here opening. Next U open, D close, here closing, here opening, here closing, the roll, here opening, here closing, here opening, here closing, here opening, here closing, opening, closing, opening. Okay. Next, indent the stress the roll, single paragraph on page number 9. Control X Y 1. I'm removing this thing. Actually, I have to remove 4 all the time now. That's why I'm again storing. Control X X 1. Page number 9. Space section 2. Class is equal to section 2. Indent. These two are different. So that's why I'm giving different class name. Space class equal to num list. So number list. This one is different. Inside the number list it has indent. No? That's why I'm giving different class. Class equal to num list 1. 2 also have same like 1. So I have given the same. This one is section 2 and indent paragraph from here page number 10 and class indent. Indent control X Y 1. Now it does not have any page number. I am given page number 10. Saving it. EL capital class equal to section 2. Three indents. Next I am using indent but I am removing this and using section 2. You can use like this also. 2 indents, page number 11, and we have to merge this thing. Control X Y 1. I am giving page number, space that institutional. This one is section 1. I am using uppercase word, class equal to section 1, and we have to use small also now. Closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening. Okay, that's right. Next, only one indent. Next, class equal to section 2, 3 indents. Next, this is again section 2, 1 indent, and all the also has an indent, but it is in page number 12. So Control X Y1, I am giving page number 12. Next, this is section 1, next one, and total in uppercase. This is close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close small, opening small tag. Okay. Next, this one. Next, references also. Section 1, sorry 1, uppercase, closing. These two are separate classes. Class equal to ref. Why? Because those two are in different style. Okay. Finish. Now it has two superscripts now. For that, I am using class equal to footnote. Sorry, right, footnote. Right. Chapter coding also finish. Now you have to see, refresh. We missed something in page number 120. Sorry, line number 123. Control X G, 123, enter. What do we miss? Small open, small close, small open, small close, small open. Here we didn't close the small tag. Save, refresh. Yeah. Okay. Finally, we have completed chapter also. Okay. So we have completed all the files, and I am giving back cover also with the same thing. CX, enter, 11 underscore back cover dot XHTML. I am renaming it MX, enter, for renaming MX front cover. Okay. So where is that 10? 10 means, I will show you one thing. Suppose I am copying this thing. 10 index. Actually our file does not have any index, but I will show you what is the index means. Okay. For that I am creating index. Okay. Right. I will show you index in next video. No, I will show you in this video only. No, I will show you this is called index. So index is with heading index and a letter, it will start like this, like this. it has the word, so this word is in page number 39, like that. Okay, actually our sample file does not have anything, no? That's why I'm creating sample index, like index. It is also have same like our FM title style. I'm giving some 3-4 paragraphs only. For A, I'm copying something. For example, only, okay? I'm deleting this thing. Para open, para close, para open, para close. This will take so much time, no? That's why I'm copying like this. Paste, 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 paste. Next B. This is an example. That's why I'm creating like this. You don't do like this, okay? Okay, and I'm giving, this is in page number 2, this is in page number 3, this is in 10. I'm removing this thing. This is in page number 47, not 47 actually. This is in 6. This is in 7. For example, okay. 4, 11. Removing all the things. I'm giving classes. Class equal to index titles, no? ABR index titles, sorry, index headers. Remaining are index levels. Index level 1. Why? Because this is capital letter start. This is letter 2. Sorry, level 2. This one is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. Like that. I am giving some sample levels. Okay. This is level 2. This is 3. Okay. Sample. Okay. This is our index file. You can see our index file also. You can see our back cover also. This is also back cover. Okay. Now we have completed chapter coding like this also. Okay. Index coding also completed. Next, links.